I drink juice every day, but I am not in here juicing todos los días. I like to set myself up for success and use the most of my time. I took the time to wash and scrub the produce, to buy the produce, to unlock the juicer. Then the same amount of time it takes me to create one juice, it takes an additional 10 minutes to create 8 juices. LaLa, we juice todos los días. Tous les jours, we are juicing. If you are new to juicing, I recommend one juice a day and do it in la mañana. Let that be your vitamin boost, mineral, nutrient dense breakfast, as opposed to the coffee and croissant and bacon, egg, and cheese biscuits. Eat you some fruit, something with color and nutrient dense to give you the energy. It is full of energy. I am flexing. Ever since I got that rebounder and I've been jumping, I can feel.
Cruising with LaLa, that's the light. We stay fresh, that's my vibe. Cruising with LaLa, we stay fly. Always high, my oh my. Cut it clean, let it breathe. Colors talking back to me. No rush, no force, just flow. Listening to what my body knows.
Wednesday, I am LaLa, your high vibe coach, and today we are batching up some carrot juice. We have some lemon and carrots. Very simple recipe. Thank you for tuning in. Smash the like button. I appreciate you watching this replay. It does not take me a long time to batch the juice. And my favorite carrot juice recipe, I love to add fresh pineapple. I haven't tried frozen pineapple in the juicer before, but I am pretty sure that you can blend this recipe as well. Please give this recipe a go. It is very simple. It is carrots. I have red apple, turmeric, and ginger. The ginger is optional. It burns my belly fat. It increases my metabolism. Therefore, I do put ginger in the recipes. And the turmeric pairs very well with the carrots. Here's how we do our piña. Most languages is banana, pineapple. It goes in there first. We juice the softest of the produce. I can mash it down with the carrots and apples. I will also throw a lemon or two in there for freshness, pH balancing. I'm using this whole entire pineapple. You know why? I am not just making one juice. I am making a batch of juice. That means I expect at least 48 ounces. I have the Namatic J2 juicer, and I can absolutely just stick the carrot in there like that. So far, I have just put the pineapple in there, as you can see. That is what we have for the pineapple juice. That is just straight 100% pineapple juice, no preservatives, no additives, no azúcar, no extra sugar. Next up, I am putting the carrots in there. I chopped them up for you. I chopped them up for the juicer. I have lemon and apple, and turmeric is coming up, you guys. So if I turn you here to the juicer and you can watch it spin. Are you ready for a pour? Are you ready? That is such a beautiful, beautiful color. Lovely. Lemons. Bam! I am batching, so I do plan on using this much ginger. It is maybe a small handful. And 2 of the turmeric. I have to take an account for the volume of the juice. Now, if I were just doing one juice, there you go. For one juice, just a little bit of ginger, half a thumb of ginger, a little piece, a pinky of turmeric. Turmeric can be overpowering in a juice. If you love the taste of turmeric, hooray! Put the turmeric in the juice. You can say turmeric if you want. That is totally up to you. I like it both ways. I am cleaning the juicer out. I am flushing it with a little apple at the end just to make sure that I got down the pineapple and the lemon, and sometimes the ginger is shreds just like celery. So just pushing the apple down near the end, it really does help get that last little bit of produce. in the masticator. And as you can see, we have a lot of pulp, but it is dry. You need a better juicer if your pulp is coming out wet. This is very budget friendly ingredients that are attainable in your local market. I've always juiced in bulk. Since the beginning, there is no other way to juice. If I want to do in the refrigerator, 3 days tops. After 4 days, it's going to turn into mush and it is not going to have its original flavor. So you can drink it if you want. I'm pretty sure it's fermented in the jar, but 3 days tops in the refrigerator. If I make over 4 juices, I will put for the freezer. My schedule of juicing is 2 times every 7 days. So I normally juice on a Wednesday and a Sunday. Set myself up for success and use the most of my time. Put jar this juice in the chat. Jar this juice. All right, I am excited. Almost a gallon. I paid $5 for the carrot. I got 4 red apples for $1.50. And I got my ginger from the farmer's market. So it's not as expensive at all. My pulp, I am saving my pulp. The family loves the carrot muffins. They are so sweet and they have this beautiful soft texture. The pineapple gives it even more sweetness. Carrots are sweet already, but the pineapple gives it chef's kiss. So do you think that we can fill these up? Do you think we'll be able to fill these up? I sound like Dora the Explorer, but yes, you put your coins into the produce. You want to get the juice. Uno, count with me. Oh, 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 oh. Or in German, you can say ein. Zwei. Zwei. Can you say zwei? Dry. Dry. Are you guys counting with me or no? Vier. Vier. Vier is 4 in Deutsch. Now we had our German lesson for today. Let's taste the juice. Cheers. We have to add our sprinkle of black pepper, right? Black pepper. Alrighty. You know what that black pepper is going to do? It increases the absorption of the curcumin. So when you are using turmeric in your juice, or even if you are cooking with the turmeric, then add that black pepper. I love pineapple and carrot together. I love it. I love pineapple and carrot together. Oh, you better get you some of this juice. Pineapple, carrot, turmeric, lemon, and apple. I did put some ginger in there. I did. Here's your ginger. Here, I'll put it right there for you. I am not a singer, but I am a juicer. And let me tell you, pineapple, turmeric, ginger, carrot. You want to juice you some carrots? Get you a pineapple. Add a little turmeric. We have plenty of juice. I would do it first thing in la mañana for breakfast. A second juice in the afternoon time, but not so close to nighttime. And then you want to pair your water. Make sure that you are drinking plenty of water. Body needs clear fluids as well. We are the water. Oh, combination is absolutely magical. I can feel it on my face. I can feel it making me youth. Thank you so much kindly for tuning in for the juice. I try my best to sip it and not guzzle it down. So let me put the water over here too, so you will not forget. Drink your clear fluids as well. On a juice cleanse, whether it is 3 days, 7 days, 10 days, 30 days, be mindful of not only what you're putting in, but what you are eliminating as well. So don't be trying to drink all this juice and then you want some dessert with your juice and now you've eaten ice cream and cake too. Oh, I'm drinking the juice, then I'm still detoxing. No, still eliminate these fried foods, junk foods, fast foods. Don't drink juice with a McWhopper double cheeseburger, fries, sweet tea, or this soda. I know I am preaching to the choir. I know you are not doing that. We just did carrot juice with pineapple, ginger, lemon, apple, and turmeric. And then I also have the combination with the lemon orange. Ooh, my muscles
Cruising
is
with
tight.
LaLa, that's the life. We stay fresh, that's my vibe. Cruising with LaLa, we stay fly. Always high, my oh my. Cut it clean, let it breathe. Colors talking back to me. No rush, no force, just flow.